Omar Lutfi here with Lutfi Innovations, and today we are going to talk about why heat pumps should be turbocharged. So, got a little description here of how the heat pump works. So the compressor compresses the refrigerant, it goes into the high pressure side, there's an expansion valve, it goes to the low pressure side, and then back through. And what I think would make it more efficient is if instead of the expansion valve, we created a turbo. And what this would do, it would take the energy from the high side and convert that into pressure on the low side. So that would convert this, so the low pressure would become high pressure going into the compressor. So basically this would make the compressor have to work less to compress the gas again, and it would allow the gas to flow through into the low side, and it would make the heat pump more efficient. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Omar Lutfi here with Lutfi Innovations. And today we're going to talk about why heat pumps should be... Okay, Isabel, don't lean on that. Okay. All right. Omar Lutfi, stay where you are. Stop moving. Okay, just watch. Okay. All right, side note, don't draw on your mini splits with dry erase markers.